laughs in the sky, a candy-coated view. If I had a ladder tall, I'd take a sticky bite and snack on those marshmallow clouds all through the starry night. Clouds are made of marshmallows, soft and sweet and high. A giant treat above our heads, floating in the sky. Clouds are made of marshmallows, I'll tell you, yes they are. They're sugar dreams that drift away and land where wishes start. The rain is melted chocolate, it drizzles from the fluff. Puddles full of cocoa pools, it's never quite enough. The thunder's just a tiny growl from eating way too fast. Lightning's when the sugar sparks, it's fun but doesn't last. Clouds are made of marshmallows, soft and sweet and high. A giant treat above our heads, floating in the sky. Clouds are made of marshmallows, I'll tell you, yes they are. Yes they are. Sugar dreams that drift away and land where wishes start. The wind is whipped cream swirling, it spins us round and round. The sun's a caramel candy, melting on the ground. Every time you look up, you'll see a tasty clue. A world of snacks above us, and every bite's for you. Clouds are made of marshmallows, soft and sweet and high. A giant treat above our heads, floating in the sky. Clouds are made of marshmallows, I'll tell you, yes they are. They're sugar dreams that drift away and land where wishes start.